This is how I always record before shipping. And we have Rheneas. I never showed the address or so I edit and cut that part, and then we continue with. We have Rheneas. Rheneas goes to Chicago, Illinois, and it's in working condition. And as you can see, it's running. And I never post the address, so in this case we just blurry the address of the customer to protect his identity or her identity, but I never post a video on YouTube. So now the next thing I do before that is I upload a short. The shorts indicate that I already shipped the model, and this is the way to protect myself from scammers. And I always record every single item I ship. Anyways, Rheneas is in good working condition. Then I take a few pictures of the item, and the last picture I take is the box itself. All right.